Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want yellow DRLs on your BMW? I'll show you how. All right, guys, let's talk about this project and the reasons why you're going to want to do this yourself. And this is a new product from Bimmertech. They are now offering yellow DRL or daytime running light upgrades for BMWs. Now, this is a gorgeous BMW G80 M3. This is going to be a really easy install, and I'm going to walk you through the whole process. Now, remember, everything you need will be listed in the video description below, so make sure to check that out. Now, one thing we're going to do is we're going to shortcut this process a little bit. If you look at some of the official guides, they say to take your headlight out. That's crazy. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to walk you through this whole process, and it's going to be the same on both sides. So I'm just going to show you on one side as we install these DRLs. Now, so what we're actually going to do is take one of the wheels off and take the fender liner off. That way we can get to the two locations where these LED boards are. One is on top, underneath the hood. One is on the back side of the headlight, but if you take out the fender liner, it's really easy to get to it. There is no reason to go through the time, trouble, and effort to take the whole headlight out just to get to the back of the headlight itself. Now, before we do that, and it takes a 17mm wheel lug socket, make sure to loosen your wheel lugs before you get your car in the air. So I'm going to loosen the lugs, get the car up in the air, pull the wheel off, and then we're going to pull the fender liner. I know that's a lot, but let's get started. It's really simple. Clearly, I've got the driver's side wheel off. We're going to take the fender liner off. You can do this without putting the car in the air. It's really narrow spaces to work in, and to be able to show you what we're doing, plus making it a little bit easier. For me, it's just easier to put the car up in the air, jack it up, take the wheel off. Faster, easier. So you have a whole series of 10mm screws all the way around the perimeter, one up here in the middle. Take all of those out, take your fender liner out, and we'll see a big radiator piece just like that top one right here in the back of the headlight. So go ahead and take your fender liner out next.